Students who are in the online. Am I audible, students? Okay. So now we will start with students. Once you come to the class, open your notes. Stand up. Sweats. Uh, Simply sitting idle, not opening the notes. Do you have notes first of all? Then you can open notes now and read now. Instead of sitting quiet and calm, is it a meditation class? Then you need to read notes or not? Sit down. Backside. You also stand up. You also opening a cell phone and doing something. Read the notes. Don't waste your time. Utilize my services. Any doubts are there, you can ask me. I'm observing everybody. Try to open the notes. Open the notes. Not having any notes in the hand, simply sitting idle like statues. Girls, so now we'll move to the further. So here, last session, we are in the topic of, big topic is going on. What the topic is going on now? Number of approaches to create an object of ND array. Number of approaches to create an object of ND array. What are the functions you know? Array of, A range of, zeros of, ones of, full of, linspace. Right. What is the use of linspace? To generate linearly equal spacing values. Put it into the object of ND array. Or you can say evenly spaced, evenly spaced values. Put it into the object of ND array. Very regularly asking question. And identity function. Identity function is going to be used for what? To generate the ND array object with a unit matrix. Also, unit matrix also known as what? Identity matrix. What is the syntax of identity matrix? Variable name is equal to numpy dot identity of n comma d type. You have to remember the syntaxes. Okay. Now go to the another function called I. I already started yesterday. The time was not sufficient. Now I'm going to introduce now I function. This is also very important, students. See, any data science, if you go for it, there are two types of questions will come. One is coding related questions, 70% will come. 30% of the time concepts they will ask you. That is algorithms they will ask. Even if you don't answer algorithm properly, if you answer the coding perfectly, you will be selected. I'm telling the industry trend now. Industry trend I'm telling, follow it. Don't waste your time. And 2025 is a big time for you where you can go for industry once you do hard working. Okay. So read well, both Python as well as Numpy, PANDAS, read well and ask me the doubts when I'm sitting over there. Okay. Don't quiet and calm, don't sit. If you sit quiet and calm, offline boys and girls, I'll come to the class. Whoever is sitting quiet and calm, I'll come here. I will observe from there. I will ask questions here. That is one simple way I will take care. Okay now? Asking questions is good or bad? Good or girls? Good or bad? Good or good or not? Good only. Even if you don't say, I'll do only good things with you. Definitely I'll ask questions. Especially boys. Compulsory. Not answering, calling on the dice. Single leg punishment I will give. You know, single leg punishment, how it will be? Close your eyes and imagine once. Very horrible that is. Right. Take care. Now I'm going to, as on today, industry trend is what? Along with Python, compulsory they're asking these days, Numpy Pandas questions, compulsory they're asking. That's why you must attend both the classes. 7 a.m. students should attend, evening students should attend, and other batch students also must attend. And I very soon, tomorrow, I will give you my Python notes for all the students because today Linky changed or not, I don't know. Maybe Linky changed, I think so. Still, people are going on joining very late. I'll be going for continuation now. Variable name is equal to, now I'm going to take it, numpy dot, what is the function name now? I, there I'm going to take it, n comma, m is equal to none. M is equal to none. No doubt in that. Remembering syntax is a little difficult, but you have to remember. Right? So doctor is there, for example. Doctor will suggest the tablet. He will write morning, afternoon, before food, after food. You will tell now. How he knows? Did you ask any time, doctor? Hmm? Did you ask any time, doctor? Ask once. Doctor, how do you know morning or evening or before food or after food? How do you know? These rules tell me. Just ask once, no problem. No? Your doubt you need to clarify wherever you get it. So here, syntax is remembering is compulsory. So once you give the tablet, as is, what you will get doubt first? When to use, how to use. Correct? So if you don't tell, what you will say? Oh, using this tablet is very dangerous. You'll say, you keep it with you. You use by yourself only, will say. So as a software engineer, you are almost equal to more than the doctor. You need to know about the syntax. N comma m is equal to none and k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0. D type. I'm writing D type. This is syntax. And what is the use of this I function? I function is also used for generating what function? Identity matrix. Identity matrix. Or also called as what? Unit matrix. It is also known as what you know? Unit matrix. Unit matrix. So how do you generate that? In both the square matrix you can design as well as what? Rectangle matrix also will be coming. What is this? N represents number of rows, M represents number of columns, and K represents what you know? main diagonal elements. That is called principal diagonal elements. So principal diagonal is always indicated by the letter called K here. So if I'm taking the data like this, if I'm taking the data like this is the matrix I'm taking it. What are the values I'm taking? 1 0 0 0, I'm taking something like this. 0 1 0 like this I'm taking. This is called what you know, 0 0 1 0 I'm taking. This is known as what? This entire thing is indicated by the letter called what? K. Letter called K. Actually it is called what? 3 into 4. 3 rows and identity matrix always prepared in the square matrix only inside of that. So this principal diagonal is indicated by K students, whose value is called what? 0, 0. Below the principal diagonal elements, this part, below the principal diagonal elements, above the principal diagonal elements, above the principal diagonal elements are indicated by -1 at this part, and this is called -2 means this part. And above the principal diagonal elements means this one is called what? This part. And above the principal diagonal elements means this one is called what? 1, and this one is called what you know 2, and this is called what you know 3. So what are the K values can be? K values can be 0, 1, 2, 3. This is called 0 means principal diagonal elements. 1, 2, 3 means above the principal diagonal elements. -1, -2, -3, -4 is nothing but what? Below the principal diagonal elements. That means you can prepare your identity matrix wherever you like it. Understand this point? Now. And what about this M, sir? This M is nothing but, here I am saying I of, what I am saying, 3, comma 4. What is that 3 called here? N. Compulsory you need to pass. And if I don't pass this 4, what the value of M will be taken? None. If I pass it, the 4 will be passed to what? M. So it is preparing what? 3, comma 4 matrix. And by default, K is what? 0. K is 0 means it is pointing to what? Main principal diagonal elements are called what? Ones. Are you following, students? And the D type, I'm mentioning it. Go to the Python environment 1, students. Python environment, go to the tester, Python command prompt. Almost you are aware of it. Now there I'm going to write it. Import, I'm going to take up numpy as np. There I'm going to write it. No, come on, help of, tell me students, np dot I. First of all, you try to speak out. All of you spell out I. Okay. First, and my request is plus speak out. First of all, you habituate np dot what I. So if you look at that, chadukondi venni I of help on the function called I. In which module? Numpy. Come on, I of what is n? Number of rows. What is m? Number of columns. K is equal to what? 0. What is the K is equal to 0? Main principal diagonal elements. Don't remember only I of, array of, linspace of. No, you have to remember with the syntax. That is the professionalism habit. Like an academic student, if you remember array of all these things, you are not at all going to be eligible for writing the coding. You have to write the syntax. And you can remember a lot of things in your brain. But after all, this is only few functions are there. Can't you remember it? Easily can remember. Come on. D type is equal to what? Float. And this order, divisor, like these are all called unnecessary parameters, not at all necessary to in the coding. Rather dependent on your system. Details it will be taken automatically. Parameters. Returns to 2D array with ones on diagonal and zeros elsewhere. Elsewhere means before the principal diagonal zeros, above the principal diagonal zeros. Are you following me? I'm showing the documentation of numpy.org what they are providing. Don't learn anything without help. Even in our Python class also completely with help only we did. Parameters. N. Int represents what? Number of rows in the output. M int. What is this? Why? It is taking what? None. This is a way to learn students. Number of columns in the output. If none, default treated as what? N only. N only treated as what? Columns only. Next, K int optional. That is called what? Index of what? Diagonal. Index of the diagonal. What is that? 0. Default. Refers to the main diagonal. A positive value refers to what? Upper diagonal. The negative values refers to what? Minus K is equal to -1, -2, -3, -4 refers to what? Lower diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4 refers to what? Upper diagonal. 0 refers to what? Principal diagonal or main diagonal. Principal diagonal or main diagonal contains what elements? 1. You know already, right? Good. D type is optional. By default, taking as a float. You can go for what? Int also. Yes, float. Float is called what? Class. Float is not a keyword. Float is called what? Class, which is reserved word. It is not a keyword. Come on here. This device and all those things, least bother about it, ma. Come to the point of it. Some examples they are giving students. Simple example they are giving. Numpy, int type, getting this one. I is equal to 3, K is equal to 1. You see K is equal to 1 means positive value only, positive side only preparing. That is example is done. Now I want to go for complete example. I want to take it. Complete example I want to take it. Go to the Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. Launch the Jupyter notebook. It's a browser-based IDE, which is most useful to you. And you can mention in the resume also. Some people are saying, sir, I'm not getting calls, sir. Calls will come once your resume is according to the industry. If you write in your ID, in your resume, IDEs, you write Python command prompt, Python ideally, they will think that you are a 1947, you are a colleague of Mahatma Gandhi. Correct or not? So don't write IDEs like that. You write as what? PyCharm. And you write what? Anaconda Jupyter notebook. So that they will feel that you are having present knowledge in the industry. Ideally and command prompt are there, but they are used to test one instruction at a time. Already used to give that type of description in our regular Python class. That's why students follow it. Even I will be giving some small tips and hints for you to prepare the resume. And by seeing resume, all of a sudden job will not be coming. Resume is something like your what you are to be represented in that. It is just like a paper. And when you sit in front of me, what questions will be coming? It all depends on how talented you are. So let us move to the topic of this syntax. So I'm going to take up the syntax now, students, and go to the place. Here I'm going to write it. And already this description is given. Now I'm going to talk about import. Tell me, numpy as np. Numpy as np. Generate a matrix. A is equal to np dot I of 3. What are the three students? Everybody, n. So print of what, ma? N. So I'm writing here, yes, simply I will write it. So is it not coming like the identity matrix or not? Only three rows and three columns. Even m also treated as what? M, 3 only. Done. What the type is taken? 1.0.1.0. Which type? Float type. Do you know how to give your data type also? D type. D type is what by default? Float. So in the helper, you can give int also, na? Come on, I forget. How to give? Come on, ma. How to give? Comma. D type is equal to int. D type is equal to what? Int. So I'm writing int. So you can write it. All of them are coming. What is this principal diagonal is here? 1. Principal diagonal value is called what? Hmm? Principal diagonal value is what? Okay, 1 is okay. What the principal diagonal is located with a k? Whose value is called what? 0. Okay. Let me take it one more bigger one. Bigger one I will take it. Something like 6 I will take it. 6. Are you getting or not? So this part is called what? Main diagonal. Whose identifier is called what? K, which is called 0. 0. Now I want to go for below this principal diagonal. These things are going to be called as below principal diagonal. This is indicated as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. When I say -1, this is going to be considered as 1. When I say -2, this is considered as 1. These things are considered as 1. Like this, I'm going to say. Above things, if you take it, these values are going to be called above principal diagonal. These are considered as what? Positive values here. Negative values are below, and positive values are above. Now I'm going to take up principal diagonal elements. I'm changing, students. Come on here, mom. Come on, k is equal to what? -1. K is equal to -1. -1 means where it is coming? In this place, what is available, you see. Here it is going to become, principal diagonal. Here it is going to become principal diagonal. This is going to become what? Unit matrix or not? This is becoming unit matrix. These are all containing which elements? Zeros. Zeros elsewhere, I said. Come on, look at that. Here it is going to contain what happens? Two times comma is available. So observe it very carefully. Is it becoming shifted or not? This is the one. It is the unit matrix is prepared. Rest of the values are going to be called what now? Zeros. Very, very important. So I'm going to take it one more time. One more time. K is equal to -2, students. It is coming below to this. This is going to be called what? Principal diagonal here. This is the value we are getting it again. Are you following me? These are all parts are going to contain what? Rest of them are going to contain what? Zeros. Everywhere else. Now I will go to last and final. I will go to -4 help director. -4. -4 is nothing but you see, mom, here like this. Are you following me? And the rest of the part is going to contain what? Zeros. This entire thing is called what? Zeros. Okay now? Right. Now I will shift my values to what? Upper, above principal diagonal. Come on, tell me, what is this? 1. 1 means what? Above. It came, actually, this is the main one, and it is not going to. This is going to contain the values. From here onwards, the values are available here. Rest of them are containing zeros or not? Rest of them are containing zeros. So I think you are following me. So next I'm going to enter into, here is equal to what? 2. Is equal to 2. It is going to contain 2. This is called a 0. This is 1 and 2. These are values we are having. And rest of them are containing what? Zeros. So last and final I will take it. Is equal to 4. I will write it. Is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. And 4. The last part is going to be like this. If I pass something like 5 or 6 or something. 5 or 6 or something, if I pass it, what will happen? 6 or something, if I pass it, what will happen? All of them 0 only. Because no value, no value 6. This is called 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 is not there. Total it is containing what? 0. Total it is containing 0. So it is going to contain what here? 6. So it is going to contain what? No more ones are there. Are you following me? Right. So coming to the point back, this is going to be called which type of function? Which function? And that too it is called square matrix or not? Go to the next one. Go to the next one. Be careful, students. Now I'm writing. Here I'm writing 4 comma 5. I am writing 4 comma 5. And k value I am not writing. 4 comma 5 I am writing. What is the meaning of 4 comma 5? 4 rows and 5 columns. 4 rows and next is called what? 5 columns I will take it. 4 rows. First you plan it out. Because the interviewer will put a question like this. What will be the unit matrix generated? How many columns? 5 columns. 5 columns. N value is called 4. M value is called what? 5. Tell me, what is the principal diagonal value not mentioned? No minus ones, no ones. It is called 0 only. 0 means what is the value, ma? Come on, fast. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Next, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And these are all called what? 0 zeros only. Is it not called principal diagonal elements? It is called unit matrix. Right. Even though it is a rectangle matrix, the unit matrix is prepared out of 20. 4 into 5 is called 20. In the 20 elements only, the elements will be prepared unit matrix. Are you getting me? So Next, I will go for, see this answer now. From this place only, unit matrix is prepared. Rest of them are going to contain what? Zeros. Zeros. If I go for, here I'm going for 15, I'm taking 15. If I'm taking 15, no problem. We are going to have this one only. Which element? Unit matrix. Rest of them are containing what? Zeros. Now, if I go for the same kind of thing, k is equal to what? -1. That time, you know how it is going to be. Is it coming down or not? This what it is going to contain. And rest of them are going to contain what values? Zeros are there. Now, last and final, I'm going to change it to what, 1, I will do it. 1. 1 means what? Above. This is called a principle actually. This is going to be made as like this. Are you following me? Like this. So I hope the I function is very clear. So how many ways are there to generate my identity matrix? Two ways. One is by using which function? Identity function. And one more is, which one is the more flexible? Come on. I function. I function is the more flexible. Right? And very regularly asking question. Linspace is one. I function is one, which is a very important. Right. So Ramya Sri. So Seema, what is it? I said this is Ramya. I have a doubt on which you are giving notes. I have a doubt on which you are giving notes. Ramya Sri. Code is not understanding. It is in HTML. What is that? Code is not understanding. It is in HTML. Code is not understanding. It is in HTML. I understand. What is the Ramya doubt is, what are the notes I am uploading? See, students, నేను మీకు ఏం చెప్పాలో నాకు అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు. What to say, I'm not getting it. I said to you carefully in the day one only. I said, I'm giving the notes for you, examples in HTML format. I'm giving. I said, you need to open that notes in the browser. I said, how when you download it, it will be opening. This is called what? Notes. This is notes. If you click on it, it will be opened. This is one thing. And one more thing I said, Linspace. This is a browser symbol is available there. It is a Chrome HTML document. And you people are opening like this. Right click, open with something you are opening. Like this, you will get it. By seeing that, you will get some tension. What is this? Don't do that. Don't do that. You do what? Directly. When you have a browser, you said double click on it. The beautiful output notes will be coming. Actually, this is a very good output is coming. The practical example I'm giving directly in the class. And that if you are not able to understand, my dear students, so much of pretty feeling sympathy on you. Identity function, click on it, directly it is coming. Ramya, I think you are getting it. Students who are in online, is it a problem for all the students or is it a problem for everybody or you are opening it? Are you comfortable? Please respond once. Rishi, no problem, sir. Okay. So opening, sir, comfortable. Please respond, everybody. No problem, sir. Comfortable, sir. No problem. Okay. So Ramya, so take care, ma'am. So once again, I just shown you. So don't try to, because we are in the subject part, don't try to get that type of problems now. So go to the place. Now I function. Now let me show you the I function concept, which is already said to you. Now I'm going to show you once again here. I function now. Let us observe it now. Coming to the I function now. Here, this part of topic I will send to you. Come on, students. All of you read out. I function is used to create 2D array with ones on the diagonal and zeros elsewhere. It is nothing but documentation only I'm showing. The I function is commonly used in linear algebra, which I'm going to cover, and in matrix operations. Linear algebra also I'm going to cover because in the index I already shown you. I'll explain again in that. It is useful for generating matrices, transformation, rotation, and scalar vectors. That will come in linear algebra. I will revise it once again in I. It can also be used in scientific computing for solving differential equations, optimization, and signal processing, which you are going to get it in the machine learning part. Differential equations, you know? Do you know differentiation or not? Integration, do you know? మీకు అన్ని తెలుసు కానీ ఏది రాదు మనకు. You know everything, but we don't know anything. Do you know integration? Don't know. Do you know differentiation? D by dx of x. Don't know. Integration of what? X to the power of n. Don't know. Okay, no issue. So you will come across in machine learning part. That part is dead easy, and it doesn't mean that you need to go to intermediate and need to open the JEE mains material and need to. It's very simple, not a difficult. Let me concentrate. Avoid that kind of thing. Try to understand this coding. Once you know coding, rest of them will be easy for you. Numpy dot I n comma m k is equal to 0 d type. Number of rows output compulsory. You need to mention it. Mandatory for you. Number of columns in the output. If none, default will be taken as what? N value. See, index of the diagonal 0 by default refers to main diagonal. A positive value refers to the upper diagonal and a negative value refers to the lower diagonal. D type represents data type of the returned array. And you have seen the complete functionality of what? I function. Can I move forward? Right. This is about which function? I function. So I function example, I function examples. So I will go for like this. So this I will download and I'll give you. Actually, I want to give it as a PDF, but it is going to be giving some sort of error is coming. Server error is going to come. PDF, if I go for it, it is giving some sort of server error. And it is not our mistake. It is in the Jupyter notebook only the server error is coming for us. So don't expect that. That's why I'm giving to you. All the batches I'm giving in the form of what? HTML documentation I'm giving, and it is easy for you to refer it. Are you following me now? Yes. So it is the current version only the problem. Earlier it is not having any such problem like. Now I'm entering into the next function I'm going to introduce. What is the next function? H stack I'm going to use it. See, all these things one by one I'm going to discuss. Daily 2 to 3 functions I'm discussing. Without writing these many, I can write one or two. Array and A range, ones and twos, I will go for it. I'll say, okay, it is finished. But I don't want to do that. If I do anything, I'll do completely where you can get same thing in the industry. Like that, I want to do it. Let us go for H stack and V stack. I want to go for it. Simple students. Let me go to the H stack and V stack here. What is the use of H stack and V stack? So already I'm going to enter into the H stack. So what is the full form of H stack? No problem. Utilize your talent. What is the H stack? H stands for what? Horizontal. Where already you are very gold medalist in that because it's a God given knowledge. H stack spell out stands for, come on, horizontal stack. Stacking. Spell out once. Stacking means what? Merging. Merging of all of them into one frame. That is known as what? Stacking. So I can merge it either horizontally or vertically also I can do it. It's also very important. How do you merge two ND array objects? So let us go to the two ND array objects. Some rules and regulations also will be there. So I'm going to take a next Jupyter notebook window. So I'm going to take new and I will take notebook. There I'm going to take it. Let us go for H stack, H stack, H stack, and then V stack examples. I'm going to use it. Examples. So there I'm going to write it, students. I'm going to write it. H stack syntax and V stack syntax I'll write on the top of it. Now I'm going to take it. Something like this. Here I can write it. Let it be, I will write now only. Variable name is equal to numpy dot H stack of ND array object, ND array 1, comma, ND array 2, ND array 2 in the form of what I written, full format I wrote it. So my requirement is very simple, student. My requirement is very simple, mom. Here, my requirement is like this. Numpy as NP. A is equal to NP dot array of. I'm writing 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 40, 50, 60. I wrote it like that. I wrote it like this. This is overall together is in one list. It is known as which concept here? It is known as which concept? Inner list. Inner list now? Right. List in a list is called what? Inner list. So directly I will print it. Print it. So array 1, ND array 1, print of what you know? A. So print of A. This is called array 1, right? One more array also I will create. One more array also I will create. So be careful about it. One more array also I will create here itself. What is that one more array? I'm going to take it 1. Now I'm going to take it as what you know? 2. One more array I'm taking. And here I'm going to write it 4 or 3 or 4. 3 comma 4 I wrote it. 3 comma 4 I wrote it. 2 comma 3 comma 4. Like this I wrote it. This is array 2. This is array 2. B I wrote it. B I wrote it. And B I'm writing it. Second array I'm writing it here. Take care, students. Here I'm writing array 1 and array 2 I'm taking. What I want to do now here, both these arrays, I want to merge it together. Both these arrays, I want to merge it together. How do you merge both these arrays? That is my questioning here. So I want to merge both these arrays. This is array 1, this is an array 2. I want to merge these arrays. How do you merge these arrays? Two ways are there. Horizontal merging, vertical merging. So how I can go for this? If I want to go for like that, this is my data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If you want to merge them horizontally, the second array must satisfy with what? Number of rows must be equal. How many rows I am having? So when I am merging, definitely what must be same? Rows must be same. So H stack always ensures what? Rows must be same. You can have any number of columns, no problem. Here how many columns are there? Here how many columns are there? But how many rows are there? H rows will ensure what? Rows must be same. So I'm writing what here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it not called horizontal stacking? So H stack will ensure what, students? Rows must be same. Are you following me? Now I'm going to merge. So I'm going to say merge. Come on. Array 1 and what? Array 2. Array 1 and array 2. Array 1 and array 2. In where? Array 3. Array 3. I'm going to take it in array 3. How do I write it? Same thing I will write it. C is equal to, come on, np dot. So I thought you are stopped that because after vacation is coming, completely busy. Huh? So array tomorrow notes you try to sit in the last corner was. So np dot, because I'm unable to see with my eyes. I'm seeing 5 minutes. I'm completely busy. Is busy in eating nails. Tomorrow onwards you try to sit over there. It is your choice. Take your own thing. So np dot, what is this now? H stack of. I will go for what? A comma B. A comma B. A comma B are called what? Array 1 and array 2. So I'm going to use it. Put it in where? C. So here I'm going to write it. Print the array 3 here. The merged array I'm going to write it. The merged array I'm going to write it. So here I will write it. Merged array I'm writing here. This is C, you write it. And C students here, we are getting this. Are you following this now? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 is there. H stack will ensure what? Rows. No more confusion. Horizontal means what? Rows. Now, if you want, you can take it. Another one, go to the place of next here. In array 4, What I'm writing, B comma A, you write it. At the end of B, you write A. This is called D, you write it. And I'm writing here called what? D. Try to run this. What is happening? 1, 2. At the end of 1, 2, 3, 4. Other elements are merged or not? They're very important. This is. So I'm having lot of arrays are there. I want to merge them into single matrix. So I'll go for which function? HStack function will do. How you can pass? In the form of tuple. Understand now? Right. When you are having different rows are there, it is not possible to broadcast. Broadcasting means compatibility to adjust it. What is the broadcasting concept also? I will explain. Broadcasting also one of the important concept in Numpy. Right? Clear up? Right. What is the syntax you see? Syntax you come across. So I'm going to use it. Come on to the point of it. Come on. Help of what is this? HStack. HStack of NP dot. I need to write NP dot. Already I said here. Come on here. HStack of what is the value? Tuple. What is the tuple? Of A comma B I wrote it of A comma B. What this represents? Any number of tuples you can pass it. NDRA1, NDRA2, NDRA3, n number of things you can go for it. What is the D type? None. That means whatever the type of tuples you are mentioning, that will be taken. Casting, this is not necessary to be taken. Of course, it is going to be taken. Same type of values will be. Stack arrays sequence horizontally. And see the small bugs in the small bugs in this. What is this now? That means it is not column wise. It is what? Row wise. Don't try to blindly even believe the documentation. Even documentation also will contain what? Some small bugs. Are you following? So column wise or row wise? The name itself says what? Stacking horizontally. Horizontal things deals with what? So it is called a row wise. Okay, na? Fine. That's why when you are going to sequence of what? NDRS. NDRS, you must mention it. This is the one you are getting a full kind of value. Okay, na? So horizontal stack deals with what? Rows. What must be the compatibility there? Number of rows of all the NDRS must be same. You can have what also? Different columns you can have. Same columns you can have. Different type of things. Now I want to go for it. One small example. Another example I want to go for it. Another example I'm going to take up. A is equal to NP dot A range of I'm going to take it. A range of 9 elements I'm taking into shape of reshape of something like 3 comma 3 I'm going to take it. Are you following me? A range A range A range of A range of what? 9. 9 means what? 0 to 8, which is going to be taken as what? 3 comma 3. Able to follow? So next I'm going to take it. B is equal to what I'm taking? NP dot array of, come on, what I'm going to take it? Here I'm going to write it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. How many elements here also? 9 elements are there. What I'm doing there also? Reshape of what? 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. So print both of the arrays. Print both the arrays here. Now I'm taking print of this both the arrays. Print array 1 and array 2. Print array 1 and array 2. Try to run this now. We are going to get it. What is this now? So this I will remove it. So try to run this. Array A and array B. What is happening? Takes positional argument 9 were given. So it is going to be giving you a range of np dot a range of 9. Shape of 1 to 2 positional arguments, but 9 were given. So what is that? So here A is equal to A dot reshape of 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. So try to follow me. So array of yes. Here it is supposed to pass like this. Was supposed to pass like this. Are you following me? Array of. What is the problem with earlier? I simply pass the elements without having any list. What are the parameters it will take? List type, tuple type, any type of values it will take. But I'm passing without following the syntax. I need to give it as what? List like this. And this also need not to worry about it. I'll simply write what? Reshape of. Not an issue. Here only our mistake. Are you following me? So try to run this. Now got the output. Now I need to go for what? Merge them. So I can go for what? Horizontal merging. You can take vertical merging also take it. But take it as what? Horizontal merging. Come on to the point back. Here I want to merge both of them. How do I merge it? And start with. Here I'm going to write it. Which is stack of what? A comma B and printing the C. At the end of A, B values are merged here. Are you following me? Another one is called what now? Another merging I want to take it. Into D I want to take it. At the end of B, B is going to be taken it. So this is called another one. Are you able to follow? This is called which one? Which one? H stack. Now I will go for which one? V stack I'm going to take up. Very, very important. Take the first example again. Online students, I hope you are comfortable. Go to the first one itself, beginning. V stack I'm going to take up. Same to same. V stack example, if I take it, syntax if I carry, here only I will carry. In this place, I'll try to write it. Syntax I'll write it. This you try to take it off. I'm writing V stack. When you go to the V stack, what will be the rule to be considered? Columns must be considered. Columns must be considered. So columns of first matrix must be equal to columns of second matrix. So what cannot be considered there? Rows is not important. You can have first one 4 rows, second one only 2 rows, but columns must be compatible, right? So the name itself will be easily understandable by yourself. Students, here I'm having 3 columns. This is called a 2 by 3. Here I'm going to take it 1 comma 2 3 comma 4. It is not compatible for what? V stack. What I'm going to do there, ma? 1 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Come on, what is this now? I will go for what? 3 comma 4 comma what? 5. I'm going to take it. Clear up? Now still I will go to, what is the next term? 6 comma 7 comma 8 also I'm going to take. How many rows in the B matrix? Come on. 3. Speak out properly. Are you lazy? How many rows in second matrix? First one. Come on. 2. How many columns in first matrix? 3. How many columns in second matrix? That means what is compatible in V stack? Vertical. Vertical means what? Columns. Horizontal means what? Rows. Simple blind rule. Don't make very difficulty about it. What is happening? Some bracket problem. Okay. Inner list maintenance. So getting like this. So here rows are different, but columns are compatible. What is the most possibility to stack? V stack or H stack? V stack. Now go for merging. Now I'm going for merging here. Already done, students. Now I'm going for merging. Which merging this is? Vertical merging. So of course it is only possible to merge vertically. Merge array 1 and array 2 in array 3 vertically. Vertically. Vertical means what will be considered? Columns are also. Right. So I will say simply called what? V stack. So V stack. You see this now, students. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. One matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is called one more matrix. It is called what? Vertical stacking. Horizontal stacking I want to go. Vertical stacking in different. Vertically, this is called what? B comma B comma what? A. So this is called D something like. This is called something like D. So it is also going to be first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this we are getting it. Are you able to follow? So if rows and columns are same, what are the possibilities for merging? H stack can be possible. V stack can be possible. But rows are compatible. What is possible? H stack. Columns are compatible. V stack is that. Rows and columns are equal. Both stacking is possible. Okay now. Right. Online students, is it clear for all of you? Now I'm going to take up that kind of things. If you remember me, that H stack and V stack concept also I will show you, students. One small point I want to bring it. So here I'll show you that because these functions are very, very important for you, students. And when you go for any type of programming, these type of things, without these kind of things, you will not getting any of the questions. First question, what is the purpose of NumPy? They will ask. Difference between ND array and traditional list. And how many ways are there to create an object of ND array? You will tell 4, 5, na? They'll say, okay, they will say. They will ask you linspace compulsory, and then stacking concept is compulsory. Okay now, and I function also compulsory. Regularly asking question. Now come to H stack. What is the H stack here? See the syntax. Variable name is equal to numpy dot H stack of ND array 1 comma ND array object 2. This function, the function numpy dot H stack of tuple takes arguments as tuple which include matrix arrays, matrices or arrays. H stack function combines two or more matrices or arrays horizontally which have same number of rows. The H stack returns ND array. Are you following me? Next, V stack, same to same. It is the same to same. Tuple format. Observe the tuple format. Same to same. V stack takes arguments as tuple, which includes matrix or arrays. And the V stack function combines two or more matrices or arrays vertically, which have the same number of columns. If the V stack returns what? ND array. ND array. See the documentation. Here it is column wise. It is not correct. Now go to the place. Here you go for it. If you go to this place, here also help if you take it. Help if you take it. Here I'm going to take it. Come out of that. Here I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. V stack I'm going to take it. V stack I'm going to take it. What is available here? It's not, but what it is? Column-wise. So V stack of what? Tuple. So same kind of thing, description, and what the same only I was pasted here also. Is it example is clear? Right. So this is about H stack and V stack. Online students, can you confirm? Is these things are clear for you people? So what is done? Array, a range of zeros of all these things must be known. So if you go to an interview point of view, at least you must spell out 11 to 12 functions. At the same time, take any person outside and then speak about it. Tell me how many ways are there to create an object of ND array? 17 ways. Actually, so 35 ways are there. And if I go in depth of it, if I go to an interview along with 17, extra 17 also I will tell. And I will use total knowledge of mine on the interview place. But you use 10 functions, it is more than enough. But you will say more than that. Tell me once what are the functions you know? Array of, a range of, zeros of, ones of, full of, linspace of, identity of, I of, H stack of, V stack of. Right, good. Now I'm entering into the further. Further I'm going to enter. What is the next? Random. Random. Spell out. So random is one of the submodule which is present in the NumPy. How do you import it? How do you generally importing NumPy? How do you import NumPy? Import. What is this? NumPy. Import NumPy. You can also import what? From NumPy. From NumPy, import what? Star. Import star. The star means what? All the things which are present into where? NumPy. Instead of that, that is one thing. Star approach is not recommended. Why not recommended? Those who are completed modules, they know. And if those did not complete, I will be discussing in my regular Python class. Today we are taking what? Some functions which are present in where? NumPy, which are already used it. What are the functions which are already present? These many functions are there. Now we are going to enter into some more functions we are going to see. These are not present inside of what? NumPy. They are present inside of what? random. Simple students. This is your bag. This is your bag, student. This is your college bag. In the college bag, you are having one laptop bag also you are taking. This is your college bag. In the college bag, you are taking laptop bag, separate case is there. So if this is called a college bag, this is called a laptop bag. How do you import a laptop bag? Import. Tell me. Import. College bag dot laptop bag. Import college bag dot laptop bag. Now you will write laptop bag dot what? Switch on. Switch on the laptop. Laptop bag dot. You do the operation on your laptop which is present inside of these things. So to access these values, I must import this one or not. To import this lower part, I need to import the upper part also now. So how do you import the lower part now? Import upper part dot lower part. Lower part dot your functions and all those things. Are you able to understand? Right. Coming to the point back now. Come on now. I want to ask you one question now. This is called module one. This is called a module two. This is called a module two. This is called a module three. This is called the function F1. How do you call? Tell me. This F1 I want to call with respect to what? M3. M3 to be accessed with respect to what? M2. M2 to access with respect to what? Tell me how do you import ma? Import M1 dot M2 dot M3. M3. That's all. That's all. Come on. M3 dot F1. M3 dot what? F1. Another way to do it as what? See students, from M1, from M1, from M1, import, import, M2 dot M3, M2 dot M3, M2 dot M3. Now I will go to what? M3 dot what again? F1. Again you can go for it. From M1 dot M2, from M1 dot M2, import what? M3, M3 dot what? M3 dot what? F1. Like this you can take it. Are you following me? There are so many ways are there. From M1 dot, M2 dot, import what? M3 as K. K. What is the K? Alias name for what? M3. K dot what I can say? F1. Are you following me? Tell me now. Numpy dot random. How do you take numpy dot random now? How many ways? Tell me. Import numpy dot random. So that random dot what? Randint, random, normal, etc. I will take it. In other way, how do you go for it? From numpy, import random as R. What is that R? Alias name for what? Random. R dot randint, R dot random, like that I will take it. Okay, now, once you have good hairstyle, you can come any direction. Ring road, bypass road means, that regular dialogue of mine, So, Gaurav, Gaurav is asking, from where we can get the notes, sir? From my packet, you can get it. In my packet, it is there. So, Gaurav, my dear student, because whether you're asking for testing or not, I don't know. All the time, I'm keeping my notes in the Google Drive class or not. Of course, Gaurav may be asking. From last 6-7 days onwards, I'm keeping my notes in the Google Drive. Actually, I don't want to touch that doubt, but I'm feeling Gaurav is important for me. That's why I'm going to comment on this. Yeah, Gaurav, that's what I'm saying. But I understand. That's why I'm addressing that. These notes, no, don't worry, my dear student. I understand every student problem very perfectly. I will understand because I am understanding every student problem from bottom of your doubt. So, huh? Not like that. Athar is not trying. He is not trying to check my patience. He knows. No, not like that. It is his first class. No problem. I'm the most. I'm having a lot of patience too. I'm not having patience too. So, huh? Okay. So, Gaurav. So the admin will post the notes link. The admin will post the notes link. I'll see the way admin is there or not. So admin, you try to. Admin is not there today. Admin is not there. So admin, you try to post the notes link. There are a lot of admins are there. Any one of the admin try to post the notes link. Or anyone is having the notes link. You pass it. Yeah. So Jay Prakash one. So okay, Gaurav, you got the notes link. You click on that, you will get my notes, student. Okay, Gaurav, take care. And now I will move to the further. Shall I move to the further now? Right. So now I'm going to enter into numpy dot random. So what is the use of this random module? What are the use of these random things? Random module of numpy is used to generate the random numbers. Sir, where we are coming across in our industry, take an example of when you go to any transactions in ATM, more than 10,000 you are withdrawing, 10,000 or more in SBIs. In earlier ATMs, they used to ask you what? Enter the PIN. The moment when you press 10,000, they will send your registered mobile one PIN will come. Is that PIN number is expected or random? So how to send that PIN number randomly? We need to go for what? One code need to be written. The code is called what? Random number generation code I need to write. Are you following me? When you go for any internet banking, when you go to internet banking, after giving your details, credit card number, and after entering your end date, CCV number, and all those things, if everything is checked, is it coming one OTP for checking whether you are authorized or not? They will send one OTP or not. That OTP is again what expected? Random. Random. So to generate that random values, what do we need? Some type of library is required. That is called which model? Random model. One more example. When you are downloading the Aadhaar card, is it asking OTP which is coming to a registered mobile number or not? That is also known as what? Random number. You take a captcha code. Do you know captcha code? Captcha code. Some small letters, lower letters, and everything. When you are uploading any application format to your university or something, they'll give you some captcha code or not. That captcha code is also called what? Random only. That random numbers, random captcha values, and all those things is coming because of what? Come on. Random module. Take a passport number of yours. Your voter card, you take it. Epic number, you take it. Epic number is containing digits plus what? Alphabets are there. That is also random only, no? Come on. Your passport number also you see. That is also random number it is going to come. So how to generate all those things? Number plating system in RTA. Because these are all called case studies for you. RTA. What is that now? TS or TG, some number 08, some 2 letters, some 4 digits. Like that, how to write a code for what? Generating number plates of your vehicles. RTA. RTA department, how to use it. For this month, I want to generate 1,000 vehicles, random numbers I want to generate it. TG is same. The RTA code is same. That AS, AB, etc. will come. 2 letters will come or not. Later numbers will come or not. That I want to generate it. How to write the code using Numpy random module? So random module is used for generating randomized values. For generating randomized values, we are having so many number of functions. What are those functions are available? Randint, randn, spell out. Randint, randn, normal, rand, uniform, choice, shuffle. These many number of values are available. And in this case, I'll tell you normally and I can leave it. But no, when you go to randn and normal, this is related to what? Normal distribution. Spell out. What is the normal distribution? I will explain to you. Next is called rand and uniform. It is for which distribution? Uniform distribution. And choice and shuffle is for some other purpose. I will explain one by one in the class. Shall I move to the further? So I'm going to enter into where now? Randint. So what is the use of randint? The name itself says generating the random integer value. So I want to show you its syntax and everything. Okay now? Shall we move to the further? So what first question is what? This is from here also one question compulsory will come. Compulsory will come. And the distribution of the values, you don't try to get difficulty in that. I will explain one by one. What is the use of random module? To generate randomized values in the form of single value, in 1D format, in 2D format, in 3D format. Okay? And you are going to get it. Rand int concept I am using first. First, I will show you the example. Later, I will write the syntax. Beginning, I don't want to make you to get confused. And let me go to the rand int value here. So let us go to the next one. I'm going to take it. Rand int I want to explain now. So here, rand int examples. Rand int examples I'm going to take it. So here, try to follow. So I'm going to write it. Import numpy as np as np. If I take it like that, what will come? Only numpy module will come. What will not come? Random will not be coming. How do I write it? Numpy dot random. Numpy dot what? Random. As what I can say? R. As R I can say. What is that R? Alias name for numpy, alias name for random, alias name for right. Now I'm going to write it. Very, very simple. X is equal to some variable name is equal to np dot r dot. Come on. What is the function name? Rand int of. Now I'm writing 10. Now I'm writing 10. Now I'm writing 10. What is the meaning of that 10? One of the random number will come. One of the random number will come between 0 to 10. 10. That 10 will not come. 10 minus 1. It excludes. That value will excludes. Print of what? X. Print of X. What is coming here? 6 is coming, which you did not expect it. Now I will write it. Another time I will write it. Another time I will write it. Don't try to expect the same value. Or maybe same value, maybe different value. Within the number 10 will be coming. 3. Next time I'm going to write it. Next time I'm going to write it. It is going to come like this. Is it expected or unexpected? Unexpected. Another way of importing the random module is what? Come on, fast. From where? Numpy. Import random as what? R. R. Like this also you can write it. Some X is equal to R dot what? Rand int. Rand int of what? 100. 100. Print of what here? X. X. Any one of the random number will come between what? 0 to 100 minus 1. 100 will not come. 100 minus 1. Are you able to get it? So students, next let me execute one more here. Let me execute one more time. You are getting like this. Getting my point? Fine. So what is the first syntax? Rand int of value. It is coming 0 to value minus 1. Next I want to go for one more kind of thing. I want the random number. A 4-digit random number I want. 4-digit random number. What is the minimum number? 1000. Maximum number is what? 10,000. 10,000 minus 1 is 9,999. 1000 is the smallest number. 9,999 is the highest 4-digit number. Between that, one random number will be coming. That's called 4-digit OTP, something like this. You take a Gmail verification code will come or not? Gmail verification code is what? Gmail verification code is random, expected, random. 5-digit number or 6-digit number, it is your own choice. So you are going to get one random number. So you try to take it one more here. Students, be careful, ma. I'm getting it. Are you able to follow? Next, I want to go for getting something like this. Minimum like this I want. Now I'm going to write it. Something like this you will come across, students. I will write it plus of what? str of x. str of x. What is that x value coming? First of all, you tell me, what is the type of x? X comma type of x. Come on. Come on. Into. Into. It is an int type because only one value is coming or not? Now, only one value is coming. So I'm writing here something like a g plus of what? str of x. str of x. You'll be getting the verification code. Something like g like this will be coming. Getting, students? Well, students, now I'm going to get it. This is a value you are mentioning it. Now, you can write it. Even something like, X, you can write it. Any one of the value will be coming in that 5-digit number. Now, my dear students, I want to go for it. I'm changing my style of the syntax. 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. I'm writing size is equal to 5. Size is equal to 5. I'm writing size is equal to 5. What is the meaning of that size is equal to 5? I'm going to print of what? X comma type of X. Very, very important. Very, very important. So here I'm writing X comma what? Type of X. Type of X. What is the meaning of this type of X? Size is equal to 5 means what? Generate 5 random numbers. Generate 5 random numbers. Keep the 5 random numbers in where? X. What is the type of X? ND array. Earlier, how many random numbers are coming? Only one random number is coming. Now it is going to be coming what? Only one random number will come or more than one random number will come? More than one random number is of which type? ND array. ND array. So it is going to be called what? 5 random numbers are coming of which type? ND array. Are you following me? Though I wrote it under that number of approaches to create an object of ND array, rand into single value will give you integer value. More than one integer value is going to kept in where? ND array object. That is a very important point to remember. Are you following me now? Now I'm going to write it. Now I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. Size is equal to what? Something like 12 I'm writing it. Something like 12. That means 12 random values I want between what? 10 to 20. 10 to 20. 12 random numbers are coming between these values. Are you getting me? So here I will write it. Here I will write it. Print of, what is this now? Dim of A, dim of X is equal to what? X dot what? Ndim. Ndim. Next is called what? Shape of X. Shape of X is equal to X dot shape. X dot what? Shape. D type of X. D type of data type of X. Here I'm writing data type of X. Data type of X. What is that? How do I write it? D type I will write it. D type I will write it. Next I'm writing size of X. Size of X. I'll write it here. Size of X. X dot what? Come on. Size. Now you try to print it. It is going to be dim is 1, 12 comma into 32 X. Because the rand int always gives you which values? Integer values. With what values? Size is equal to 12. So 12 random numbers are coming. Earlier output and this output is completely different. You're able to follow now? So what is the size is equal to? 12 here. So that indicates what? What it indicates? 12 random numbers. Between what? 10 to 20. Are you able to follow now? Coming to the point back. One more kind of thing I'm going to take it. Very carefully try to follow. Now I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. 10 comma 20. Now I'm writing size is equal to, this is called one dimensional students. Now I'm going to write it. Two dimensional random numbers I want. I will mention here 3 comma 3 I'm writing. 3 comma 3 in the form of tuple format I'm writing. Tuple format. What it indicates? How many random numbers? 9. What is the size? What is the size? 9. What is the D type? Int 32. What is the shape? 3 comma 3. What is the dim? Two dimensional, because I'm going to use a tuple format or not. Yes, be careful. I'm going to get a 3 by 3 matrix where the elements are containing, which are random numbers, which are available between 10 to 20. 10 to 20. So these are going to contain, see students, is it containing 3 by 3 matrix or not? Which are there between what? 10 to 20. What is that elements? Dimension is 2, like this. Number of elements are like this. It's not only like that. You can take many of your things, 3 comma, something like 6 you can take it. 3 comma 6 you can take it. 3 rows and 6 elements of any random values. We are going to get it 3 comma 6 and total elements are what? 18. Are you able to follow? So what is this one is called? Rand int is used for what? Generating one random value. Generating one random value. And next is called what? Come on. Generating number of random values and generating number of random values with what? 2D. Number of random values with what? 3D also. 3D also. But one student is asking, what is his name? Random FRG is asking. What his name is random FRG. మీరు చాలా క్రియేటివ్ అసలు అంత ఉంటుంది కానీ ఏముండదు మళ్ళీ సబ్జెక్ట్ లో ర్యాండమ్ ఎఫ్ఆర్జీ 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 మీన్స్ ఎఫ్ఆర్జీ అంటే ఏంటి నేను నిద్రపోతున్నాను నేను సో మీరు అంతా కలిసి ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చి అంతా కలిసి ఇక్కడ తోడైనారు మొత్తం సో కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ర్యాండ్ ఇంట్ ఆఫ్ స్లీపింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈటింగ్ నెయిల్స్ పీపుల్ మొత్తం కలిపి ఇక్కడే గ్రూప్ అయిపోయినారు మొత్తం మిమ్మల్ని వీళ్ళిద్దరిని ఒకసారి కూర్చోబెడతా ఇప్పుడు ఐల్ మేక్ దమ్ టు సిట్ ఇన్ వన్ ప్లేస్ సో గో టు ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ర్యాండ్ ఇంట్ ఆఫ్ ఐల్ బి టేకింగ్ ఇట్ హియర్ సో హియర్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్ నౌ ట్రై టు ప్రింట్ వాట్ హియర్ ఎక్స్ సో అవుట్పుట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్ హియర్ కమ్ ఆన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్ రెండింటి ఈస్ రైటింగ్ రెండింటి something like rendint you take it. So take something like this. What's the value coming? 0. In inch already 1. 0 to what? 1. Again you run it. What is coming? A simple knowledge, my dear students. When I say 10, it is taking 0 to 10 minus 1. I said 1. If I write it, what is the random number? Forcefully you are supposed to 0 only. So can't you apply, my dear students? So random FRG, my dear student. Is it go to this? So takes at least one positional argument, but you did not give anything now. So you have to give what value there. He has given 1 and asking what is the value coming. So this is an answer. If he says, sir, if we do like this, what value will be coming? Understood? Simple kada? Right. Of course, I'm not going to say anything, but it is very easy for you to understand the subject. Okay. Anyhow, I'm not going to take up that into that. Let us move to the further. What is this dimension, students? Right. Random FRG. Don't worry, my dear student. No need to say sorry. What is your name? What is your name? Tell me your name. You tell me. Random FRG. What is your name? I'm waiting. All offline students also waiting for your name. Faraj. Okay. Good name. Why this random? This entire thing. Random you remove and join on your name. Good name. So join on your name. So huh? Gmail name. Okay. Okay. Okay, my dear student. Let us move to the further. Huh? ఇక్కడ ఫేస్ చేద్దాం అంటే మీరు ఎంతవరకు అసలు ఎట్లా ఉన్నారు మీరంతా ఇక్కడ రెండింటి అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ విచ్ మూడ్ ఆఫ్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో సో ఓకే బికాజ్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్ 90 years old now that's why I understand your problem come on okay let it be some fun in the class because nail eating people and then sleeping people will enjoy so Jagan Mohan Reddy is requesting to annotate so so coming to the point of it okay let it be come all of you because they want to enjoy in the class. But it's not my experience is not suitable to entertain in the class. Because as a senior most trainer, I should not do any entertainment fun in the class. With subject, we have to do make fun. Because I'm not a fresh faculty now. I'm a senior most faculty. I have to concentrate on my subject. Come on, start. Huh? Prathar, sir, is there any vitamins to present in the nails? I have to ask him. Just stand up once. Athar is asking. Stand up. Stand up. How do you feel at the time of eating nails? Huh? Automatically going. Okay, concentrating. So going on eating. Or so like a small kid keeping like this and sleeping like that. Of course, he's actually intermediate student. Good. But don't do that. Okay. Good. Where is your friend? Did not. Maybe he's on online. Okay. So random FRG. Okay. Sandeep Kumar, this is the addiction. Okay. So Gaurav, sorry, X dot endim. I did not get it. So because you joined very late in the classes now, endim is an attribute, shape is an attribute, D type is an attribute, size is an attribute. All attributes must call with respect to what? Object name. What is this object name is called end array. Now I want to go for 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3. I am going to take it. What is the meaning of 2 comma 3 comma 3? Two matrices. Each one contains 3 rows and 3 columns. That is known as what? Random 3-dimensional matrices. Gunshot. How do you generate it? 3D random numbers. 3D random numbers. So how do you go for it? See, students, I'm going to take it. These are my values. These are my values. How many matrices are coming? Two matrices with completely random values are coming. Are you following me? Now, I'm going to write it. You answer my question now. You answer my question now. Here I'm trying to write it. Here I'm trying to write it. Here I'm saying something like 1 comma 101, 1 comma 101, reshape of 2 comma 3 comma 3. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the first of all rand int of 1 to 101? Random numbers are coming. Random numbers are coming. Come on, what is this now? Now I'm writing, just directly writing like this. Reshape of, here I'm writing, size is equal to what? Size is equal to what I'm writing, is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 I'm writing. 2 into 3 into 3 I'm writing. What is the answer now? How many random elements between what? 1 to 101. What is the size? 1. 18. What is the shape of it? It is shaping the same thing or not? Because of this, it is going to give you 1D. మామూలు బ్రెయిన్ కాదు అసలు సో ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యూ వాట్ డిమ్ ఈస్ 118 and then into 32 18 yes or no so that part I am going to say what is this reshape of 2 comma 3 comma 3 I am saying that 18 elements I am going to reshape into 3D okay now so here I am going to write it here I am going to get it 3D I am going to prepare. Okay, students. So once you are understanding reshaping methodology, any way you can apply it. I am writing here called what 2 comma 9 or 6 comma 3. I will write it. 6 comma 3 is nothing but 2D only, na? Here 3-dimensional, here 3-dimension like this. So I'm going to get it what ma 6 comma 3, 6 rows and then 3 columns. What is the dimension 2 and then like this? Are you able to follow now? So this is the rand int is most useful to you. Rand int is most useful. I want to prepare two matrices with random values between 1000 to what 1020. How do you print? How do you print? I want the random values between 1000 to 1020. What size I want? What size I want? 1000. What is this now? 1021. What is the size here? Size is equal to what? Size is equal to what? 1. So 2 comma 2 comma 2 I am writing. 2 comma 2 comma 2 means what? I want two matrices. Which rows? 2 rows and 2 columns. Numbers between what? Numbers between 1000 to 1001. So how many matrices will come? 2. So their dimensions. 2 rows and 2 columns. Which is a 2D or 3D? 2D. 2D or 3D? 3D. Because here, this you understand. Number of matrices, number of rows, number of columns. Are you following me? Size is called how much now? 8. 8 elements. 2 into 2 into 2. I think you are following me. So next I'm going to enter into last and final. I'll say 2 comma 2 comma 2 like this. What is the first to do? Number of clusters. Number of clusters. Next term. Come on. and number of matrices. Each matrix contains number of rows and columns like this. So total how many elements will come? 16 elements will come. 16 elements will come. Clusters are this. This is called one cluster. This is called another cluster. Each cluster contains two matrices. Each matrix contains two rows and two columns. This is also going to be the same thing. Clear up? So rand into function is very, very important. This is generating what values? Random integers. Random. Now I want to go for what? Random floating point values I want. Random floating point values. Last and final, in a simple manner, if I write it, something like 2.3, if I write it, see my dear students, you got it what? 1. That means it is not taken as what 2.3. It is taken as only 2. 2 it is taking. I think you're following me. So you try to run it here, it is going to take it as 0. You try to run it here, it is trying to take 1. So what are the possible values are coming? 0 or 1, 0 or 1. 2 will not come, 2.1 will not come. Even though you mention what value? 2.3, 2.4, etc. It is taken as 2 only. It is not going to take it as what? Float value. I hope you are following me. Okay. So I will keep this result. Now I need to go for how to generate the random floating point values. For that, there is one function name called what? Rand function. After rand int, I will go for rand and uniform I will discuss. Rand and uniform I will discuss. After that, I will go for random and normal I will discuss. There is an order of understanding. Are you following me? Later, I will go for choice and shuffle. Okay, na? So is it clear about random module? What is the use of random module? To generate the random values, maybe in terms of integers, maybe in terms of floating point values, maybe in terms of alphabetical values along with numbers also. I will show you that also, like RTA number plating system, like your PAN card number. PAN card number also randomly coming, and epic number of your voter list and passport number. And when you are redeeming some points, when you are a regular customer to one shop, when you go for having some values in your card, some points are there, some reward points are there, some OTP will come to redeem that points or not. To have that random number value, I will be going for using what? Random model. Very useful model for you students. So today I discussed about what? Rand int. Next class, when I come back, I'll go for rand and uniform. I'll go for random and normal also I will discuss. Right? So try to practice it. Try to follow, practice, and then come to the class. So online students, I hope you understood today about what H stack, V stack, and then rand int I said. This notes also I will send it to you. So I'll stop my class and tomorrow class. Don't miss it. But be regular to the classes from now. Don't become absent. Thank you. All the best. Online students, you hold on. If any doubts are there for you. Already notes link is shared 2 times, 3 times. It is there in the chat box. Try to share it. Already it was shared. Already it was shared. So Jay Prakash was shared already. So again you are asking to share it. So it is there in that. Try to take up that. Online students, any doubts you have, can ask me. But don't ask me, sir, explain everything at once. Sarita, sir, random module is there in Python or only in Numpy? Random module is there even in Python also. But random module in Numpy is very powerful. Sarita. So Shravani, sir, you have used size 2 comma 2 in randint, but before that you used shape 2 comma 2. That is different, ma. This size is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 2. It is nothing but shape mentioning only. Here it is called what? Here this is known as what? Reshape of I said. This is called the number of elements of this one, and in the form of scalar value I am using, and I am reshaping immediately. So here I am mentioning size, which is a 2D only, which is equal to like a shaping mechanism, right? So next up, Shravani, I hope you are understanding that. So Mayur Ranjan, sir, any new batch is going to start next month, next week. The new batch is going to start next week. New Python batch will start. You can understand. You can follow that. So the new batch is going to start in the next week. Rishi, size 2 comma 2 comma 2. That is nothing but size 2 comma 2 means all the 3 2s. If you mention it, if you 3 2s, if you mention it, is 6 only. 6 elements will be coming. Size is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 2. If you write it, it is 6 only. Rishi, multiplication only. Yes, multiplication only, that value. So any more doubts, students? So having the doubts, you can raise your hands. I will clarify it. Rishi, the new batch will be tentatively 4 p.m. It is going to start. Any friends are there, you can intimate. Tentatively, it is maybe 4 o'clock. And in the next week, it is going to start. I'll intimate once again to you in the classroom about the new batch. Right. Okay, students. So no more hand raising symbols here. I hope no more doubts are available. I will upload these notes for you people. Try to download.